How to remove facial verification in Binance. In this video, I'll show you how to remove or bypass facial verification on Binance using the latest method. So let's get into it. First, open the Binance app and make sure you're logged in to your account. Now simply tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. From there, simply select Settings. Here, simply scroll down until you find Security or Privacy Center and simply tap on it. Here, you might find an option called Identity Verification or Rectify Personal Data. Just tap on any of the one and you'll see a request to reset verification. If you see the option, simply select the reason why you want to reset facial verification. Just select any of the reason. After that, simply tap on Continue and Binance may ask for a valid reason and some supporting documents like government ID or a selfie. Fill it with honestly and submit it. Binance will review your request, and that's how you remove or reset facial verification on Binance.